Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to convert binary into decimal. So first, we still need this table. And next, we need the binary. So, how do we convert binary into decimal? It's easy guys, trust me. So the first thing you need to do is try to put this binary in this table. Since we have this table as a guide, this will be easy. So first one, 0, just copy this here, 1 and 1. So now that we have placed this binary here, we know what numbers are, are necessary in order to get the correct decimal um, equivalent of this binary. So we have first, we have 16 plus 8, and since we have 0 on 4, we won't add 4, but we will add this 2 and this 1. So plus 2 and plus 1, which is equal to 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 2 is 26, plus 1 is equal to 27. Now, in order to prove that our answer is correct, I'm going to use a website that can convert easily binary into decimal number. So we have this 11011. Let's try to copy this and let's use that website. For this website, I'm using rapidtables.com that converts binary into decimal. So let's put in the binary. Here it is. And let's convert. So the decimal number is 27. And what we got is 27 also. So the way that we used is correct. So let's try another number in order for us to get to master it, to be more familiar with it. So again, just fill up this. Just use this decimal to fill up this space, which is 1, 1, 0, 0, and 1. Now, get those numbers and add them. Get those numbers that have 1 in them and then add them. So we have 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So when we add them, it will be equal to 32 plus 4 is 36, plus 2 is 38, plus 1 is 39. So let's try to check it again on the website so that we will know if our work is right or wrong. Let's copy this one and put this here, convert, and here it is. It's also 39. So that's basically how you convert binary into decimal. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep safe there everyone and see you in the next video. Bye bye.